So why are you not rich? Or why do you think you are not rich? Or why do you think you cannot be rich? Give me an answer in the comments. I would really like to know your opinion about that. If you want to get answers to those questions, very often you need to ask yourself, what is the obstacle? What is that reason that blocks you from achieving your goals? If you want something so passionately, what stops you from doing it? You can really make yourself a favor and take a piece of paper and write down those obstacles. What is that exactly that blocks you from doing exactly what you want? And you will probably answer something like, I'm not good enough, I'm not educated enough, I'm not experienced enough. The world doesn't really need those kind of specialists like me. People around me cannot really understand my talent or whatever. Whichever reason you give, it can be put in one of the three categories. It is either that you are not good enough, other people are not good enough, or the world in general is not good enough. If you want to have 1 million of something, what is that blocks you from getting it? Before we continue, I'm Nadia. On this channel, I talk about business and self-development. I also wrote a book on personal development. The link is in the description below. Check it out after watching this video. And make sure you subscribe to this channel so you will not miss useful information that I provide every Wednesday. If you like this video so far, give this video a like. It really helps me spread this message over YouTube so that more people can benefit from it. So your limited perception is that you're not good enough, people are not good enough, and the world is not good enough. But this is only your limited way of thinking. Because in fact, it's not like that. You have potential to do anything you want. People around you have qualities that you don't see at the moment. And the world is full of different possibilities that you also don't see because of this limited, point of view. So the only thing you need to change is the view to the world. You need to open yourself up. You need to open your eyes, to see what a beautiful world. It's not that you're going to put some pink glasses and pretend you don't see that there are difficult situations and, challenging experiences in life. No, but you will also see all the beauty, all the potential, all the possibilities. Human potential is unlimited, but usually we don't see it because we judge ourselves according to our previous, our past experience. We think, okay, if I didn't get that far so far, that I will probably not get that far in the future. But this is wrong, it's like a small child thinking, I will not reach anything in life because in the last years it was not much, in my life. I've learned how to walk, but that was it. But it's a big achievement to learn how to walk, For a small human being that is just lying, to learn how to walk is a very big jump in the development. But we don't see those big developments in us, We think, okay, I didn't learn that much so far, so I will probably not be able to, jump that high in the future. Very wrong perception. We should really let go of the past. We should stop identifying ourselves with our past. We cannot identify ourselves with our future, that's true, but just be here and now in the way that be open to possibilities, be open to seeing the potential, seeing the beauty in each moment, in each situation. Because the most valuable part of you is the part you still don't see. Because your ability to see things is pretty limited at the moment, As long as you widen your horizon, you will see this most beautiful, this biggest part in you. And if you're already rich on different levels, then it's not about you. But if you still don't feel rich enough, then this video is for you, You need to change your mindset, and this is the only way to get rich. Otherwise, all the money in the world will not help you. And that is the reason why I talk so much about mindset in my book on personal development. Again, check it out in the description below if you would like. Because you are more than you think. And you have all the different possibilities and different paths you can take if you want. And you always have enough money if you have the right mindset. And you will always get more money because you will see more possibilities. when you open up. You live the way you think. And to change your mind, you need to use some techniques to change your mindset, to change your way of thinking, because this is an everyday training. In my book on personal development, I mentioned some things I use to change my mindset, but you can choose something else which fits for you. There are different ways, different methods for different people, and the things that help me will not necessarily help you. Learn from those people who are rich, meaning that they can see the richness. And we all have to learn all the time. There is no limit to human development. There is no limit to human potential. It's an ongoing journey, and it's a very joyful journey. Stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, leave me a comment and let me know if this was useful for you. Watch some other videos of mine on business, on self-development, and hopefully I will see you next Wednesday. Good luck.